Hey guys, this is Amir Akbari. I'm just doing my demo for System Software Assignment 2. So before we start, I'm just going to quickly run through my groups and user IDs and by cat slash etc then group. So we have three users basically. So the first one is myself, a DJ, which has the ID of 1000, and second one is a Bob with 1001 and Alex with 1002. Then we have two folder, warehouse and distribution, and they're both rich groups. So we created two groups, warehouse group and distribution groups. Bob only have an access or permission to access the distribution folder, and Alex and the DJ have an permission to access the warehouse folder. That means Bob cannot transfer to warehouse, or Alex or subdivision cannot transfer to distribution. So if we go inside our warehouse folder, there's literally nothing. It's empty folder at the moment because nobody have transferred anything to it. Then I'm just gonna clean everything. Um, sudo make clean pass123 what? Maybe the wrong password. Yes, sorry. Pass123 what? Here we go. So everything's clean now, and then we're gonna build everything to our makefile. So because everything's fine, now we need two more terminals, one for client and one for our server. Here we go. As I showed before, there's literally nothing in our folder and warehouse folder. So we're gonna run the server in one side, which we could see socket successfully created, bind and completed, and it is listening to that port number 5555. And over this side, we would like to run our client. Our client made a connection to the server, and it is connected to the port number is 5555, and asking for the name of the file we would like to transfer. So because I only have a stubdj have only permission to access the warehouse folder, I'm going to use the warehouse.xml. So warehouse.xml. Here we go. Now it is asking for into the file destination, basically where it wants to go. So you want to go to the warehouse folder this time. So we're gonna write warehouse. Here we go. And that's it. That's basically done. So basically, where is it? So successfully created, connected to the server, and uploaded to the server. And we could see our server send us a message back and file transfer successfully. And after that, our connection is closed. And if you go to our client server side, we could see um, so connected to accepted number 4, thread number 4, and the file received. What was the file's name, which is the warehouse.xml, and we could see file is closed. Um, if we go back to our warehouse right now, we could see if there's a warehouse.xml in here right now. If I open this just to show if everything like transferred, so it says demo in it, and I'm pretty sure the example I had on the side is called demo as well, XML. Yep, called demo plus. So basically transfer fully done. Then we would like to transfer because I don't have a, sorry, close this one. So now again, I have to run this again, sorry. And if I run my client this time, but this time I would like to transfer the warehouse by mistake. So warehouse.xml. Um, I won't transfer this time by mistake or somebody just trying to mess everything system up. Would like to send it to distribution because I don't have the permission. So my server should reply back to me or send a message back to client. You don't have a permission to send it to distribution system and close it. So now we would like to do distribution. So distribution, if I spell that right, hopefully. Here we go. So here we go. We could see it over here. It's successfully created, connected to the server, uploaded to the server, but the server sent back a straight message. You don't have a permission to do that because I'm not part of the group of distribution. And over in the client side, we can see we couldn't copy it basically because permission was denied. Um, File received, but there is no permission, and client was closed. Also, I forgot to show is multi-threading as well. So if I open, oh, sorry, and let me open that one. I could just run this client one more time right now, and I could open one more just to show my client. There's this one, and if I run one more time, and we could see multi-threading, it is possible for multi-threading as well. Um, yeah, I think that's all I have to show. Thanks